November 2nd, astrology report. Jupiter is going to be crazy bright, and on the next day, Saturn will go direct. There seems to be a type of rectangle. Normally I thought that this would be a mystic, but this is a malefic rectangle, and you can tell because the red lines on these sides are forming, and those are 45 degree. And so this whole thing is one red zone. Jupiter in retrograde is opposing this cluster, which is Mercury, Mars, and Sun. Also, Jupiter seems to be friends with Uranus, which is also in retrograde. Here's general interpretation information. Pause to read. But I want to know more about what's going on between these two and these three in that nice big red line. So I asked it, and here's what it says. So Jupiter represents expansion, growth, and opportunities. Aries represents personal freedom and individuality, while the Mars and Sun and Mercury in Libra emphasize communication, relationships, and balance. So yeah, it looks like there's going to be tension between our need for harmony and balance and personal growth and freedom. It's going to be global. Let's see what else it says. Yeah, so both Uranus and Jupiter are in retrograde. And so that's going to put them in a lesser state. And it's going to be pretty emphasized for Jupiter. Let's see what goes on. Here's the modality distribution, which definitely indicates that it's going to be a lot more cardinal. Let's check those energy levels. Okay, we got a lot of air sign. And so it's a lot of positive energy, not a lot of negative. And we have a lot of alpha, so it's very masculine, very go get 'em, better, let's do that thing, action oriented. And so we're going to have that with air sign, so that's going to be a lot of cardinal air energy in general that it all amounts to. It's omnidirectional, you can tell because this whole line is white and it's just all filled up. So there's only one way to go. So whatever happens, it's going to go that way. Video game. And in the video game, there's a global apartheid overlord nation state that is against a group of local rebels, and it's a global problem. And it has sent shockwaves through the international community. Here is the astrological interpretation of what's likely going to happen November 2. Pause to read. Follow for more updates.